A decade of impact, celebrating 10 years of excellence and CSR. A journey of 10 years is a story etched in time, a story of growth, innovation, and unwavering commitment. Join us as we rewind the tape of memories and accomplishments. In the spirit of our 10th anniversary celebration, we reflect upon not just our achievements, but also the positive impact we've made. Embracing environmental responsibility, we've dedicated ourselves to fostering a sustainable future. From planting trees to recycling campaigns, every action is a step towards a greener planet. Philanthropy isn't just a word, it's a commitment to the community that nurtured us. Our team's heartfelt involvement with local shelters and schools has touched lives and spread smiles. Ethics and integrity are the cornerstones of our journey. Our business practices, rooted in fair trade and ethical principles, have not only earned respect, but also shaped a more just business landscape. Our responsibility towards economic growth extends beyond our company walls. Job fairs, vocational training, these initiatives reflect our commitment to empowering individuals and contributing to a thriving economy. As we step into the future, we carry forward these 4 pillars of responsibility: environmental, philanthropic, ethical, and economic. Our anniversary celebration is more than a commemoration. It's a pledge to continue making a positive difference. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Here's to the next decade of impact